बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजेस इन द कंपनीज एक्ट 2017, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स फॉर रिवीजन ऑफ द कंपनीज ऑर्डिनेंस 1984। Basic ease of doing business for corporate sector, better for corporate government and agencies and SCR. Introduction of new types of companies, strengthening regulatory framework, others, concept of global register of beneficial ownership, regulation of advanced by real estate companies, ease of doing business. Ease of doing business, incorporation made easier, simplification in procedure of alteration, memorandum and articles, pledge registrable as charge and time to register increase, appointment of additional director in midterm, return for change in shareholding of membership of more than 25% during the year, acceptance of document after the prescribed time, introduction of concept of inactive companies, maximum use of technology, ease of doing business, concept of intermediary introduced, concept of nominee for the transfer of shares, private company, shares of private companies in book entry form, alternate dispute resolution, amalgamation of companies, facilitating corporate exist, ease of doing business, incorporation made easier, registration of companies by filing one form with model memorandum and articles of association. The memorandum should state principles, line of business and any change subsequently to be notified within 30 days. The company can engage in any lawful business as per section 26. Directors and chief executive to be appointed at the time of incorporation and no separate filing required subsequently. A registered address not required at the time of incorporation and application can be filed only with correspondence address. Shares money to be deposited within 30 days of incorporation of company. Share money to be deposited within 30 days of the incorporation of the company. Receipt of subscription money to be certified by a chartered accountant or a cost with management accountant within 45 days of the incorporation, following which shares shall be deemed to be cancelled. A registered office to be initiated within 30 days of incorporation. Commencement of business by a public company. Procedure simplified. No certificate to be issued. Acceptance of documents by the registrar shall be conclusive evidence for a company to start a business. Simplification in procedure of alteration of memorandum and articles. Alteration would take effect by special resolution. Change in principal line of business does not require Commission's approval and only amended memorandum to be filed within 30 days with the registrar. Change in the place of registered office.